Mehtab Mehboob? Mehtab Mehboob is a unique storyteller among all the female writers of Sindhi literature. She is a short story writer, sketch writer, travel writer, essayist, and novelist at the same time. Her writings have a large readership. Mehtab Mehboob was born on July 14, 1950, in Karachi. After receiving her early education from St. Mary's Convent and Madrasa al-Banat, she graduated from Government Girls' College, Hyderabad. Mehtab Mehboob started her literary journey in childhood with children's literature and then with translations of stories. At first she used to write under the name Mehtab Munawwar Abbasi, but after her marriage to Mehboob Sheikh, she has been writing under the name Mehtab Mehboob. Mehtab has been writing regularly since the 60s. She also wrote many psychological articles and research papers which were published in Nain Zindagi and other magazines at that time. His first short story is Kakan Ain Bihina Hai, which was published in Nain Zindagi. In the early days, some of his stories were also dramatized for TV. He also wrote several features for radio which were read by Mehtab Channa, Mehtab Rashidi, under the title What Does Religion Tell Us? Till date, the total number of Mehtab's published books is 15, 14 in Sindh and 1 in India, several editions of which have been published, including Chandi Jun Tarun, short stories, Parkan Pehal, short stories, Mithi Murad, short stories, Laha Laha Zindagi, short stories, Pulsarat, selected stories with Urdu translation, Chandi Jun Tarun and Parkan Pehal, collections Hartoon, Travelogue of India, Suhi Sahi Sa, Travelogue of India, Rahun Chand Sitara, Travelogue of Jungle and Thailand, Varhag Jovaja, articles and columns, etc. Khawab Khushbu Choka, novel, Pyar Panhun Chinora, Jado, Jaruka, printed in Hindi. Mehtab Mehboob is a writer of Sindhi literature who is constantly at the forefront of the field of literature through her pen. She describes different aspects of life with truth and courage. She has been painting continuously. Her words are not only a good sign for Sindhi literature, but also a valuable honor for the author himself.